Hello everyone, welcome back to Prodhart channel. Today we are discussing laptops under 30,000 rupees in India. There are a variety of laptops available in the market, so choosing the best laptop after understanding their features will be an added advantage. Most people these days decide a budget before looking for a laptop. So if you have chosen a budget of rupees 30,000, we will help you look for the best laptops out of there that fit your budget. But the most challenging requirement of buying any laptop is understanding the features that you require. Many times people get swayed away with the sound of a cool graphic card, but after buying the laptop they realize that they didn't even need it. So if you are looking for a laptop at a budget of 30,000, you can always choose from a variety of models and designs available. Before learning these features, you have to understand it's not just the laptop, but their parts are also available in a variety of models and designs. If you are choosing a low price laptop, then you will be provided with certain restricted features like the basic processor design and minimum storage. But for a laptop model that can be purchased in lakhs, you will be provided with the most advanced processor available in the market along with the best storage devices. To understand how to purchase a laptop, understand these features. To know about these features available in the laptop, what are the parts available in the market, and what you will receive for the price you have chosen, keep watching this video. So before selecting a laptop with a particular price, watch the video ahead as it will help you in making the right choice. Processor. The processor maintains the quality of the laptop and is also responsible for processing the input and producing proper output. If you are looking for a laptop with an excellent quality of processor, then it is compulsory for you to learn about this topic. One of the most famous processors commonly used all over the world is the Intel processor. The laptop will operate depending upon the speed of the processor, and hence if your processor has a good speed, you will have a laptop with fast boot technology, and the applications can also be loaded at a faster rate as compared to other laptops. Even though there are a variety of processors available in the market, the most common model that is used widely among the people is the Intel Core i3, i5 and i7 processor. But if your budget is low, then you will be provided with basic level processors like the Intel Pentium or Intel Celeron. While purchasing a processor, search and check the number of bits which are available within them. The computing power of the processor increases with the number of bits you choose. Using a 32 or 64-bit processor will be efficient for normal functions. If you are purchasing a laptop for greater requirements, then it is essential to purchase one with a 128-bit processor. There are a very few models available with quad or dual core within the budget price of 30,000 rupees. So within the budget of 30,000 rupees, the models available will be mostly of 32-bit processors with dual core. Storage. The next important thing that needs to be taken into account while purchasing a laptop is their storage. The storage plays an important role in a laptop, similar to the processor. Even if you install a simple operating system, you need a particular set of storage in the device to store the details, including the root and administrative details of the OS. So having a proper storage is essential. The first storage system available in the laptop is random access memory or RAM. The RAM makes temporary storage. If you are running an application, all the details of the application will be stored in the form of cache within the RAM. When the application is closed or when the computer is rebooted, all the details within the RAM will be deleted and the memory will be refreshed. So having a good storage capacity of RAM memory will allow you to increase the speed of the application. For 30,000 rupees, having RAM storage of 4 to 8 GB will be perfect. The disk drive. The disk drive is mainly used to store the data permanently and also for storing the details of the application. There are two types of disk drives available in the current technology. The hard disk drive, which is otherwise known as the HDD, is more famous, but they are easily susceptible to damage. Especially if there is any physical damage to the laptop, the hard disk will be affected immediately. The entire data is stored within the disk that rotates at a speed of 5,000 to 7,000 rotation per minute. So the data from the disk drive will take more time when compared to the other model called the solid state drive. They are more powerful and we widely use them for heavy application like programming and hacking. But this solid state drive is available only in advanced models. If you are interested, you can purchase a small solid state drive, large storage space hard disk drive model for the price of 30,000 rupees. Graphics card. The next most important thing that needs to be taken into account is the graphic card. The graphic card is mainly used for converting the code present within the computer into the proper display so that you can view them on the screen. There are a variety of graphic cards available in the market, but they are used only by advanced learners like graphic designers and animators. Any person with a normal computer will have an integrated graphics card within their processor. Most of the people purchasing the laptop within the price range of 30,000 rupees will receive an integrated graphic card. Quality and screen size. The next important topic that you need to keep in mind is the quality of the computer. The keyboard should comprise high quality material and the keys should also be placed economically with proper distance between them. The laptop should also be made up of an excellent quality screen with a great screen size of 14 to 16 inches. The resolution of the screen should be of HD quality with 1080 pixels. All these qualifications are essential to make the laptop perfect. The size of the laptop should also be small and thin, like a notebook with ports for connecting to external devices. The battery life should also be good with a minimum of 10 hours of battery. Even though the style and design of the laptop are important, you also have to make sure that the other features are taken into account. If you are looking for a laptop that is of low price and also has excellent quality, then you will have multiple choices in the market. If you are confused, you can always choose the best option by comparing their features by researching properly or through online websites like Amazon and Flipkart. But whatever you do, be prepared before you visit any shop to purchase the laptop. You must be well informed and aware about the features you are looking for before being swayed away by the opinion of the store assistant. Given ahead are some models that are commonly available in the market and have gained immense popularity from the people because of their design and features. Recommendations: HP 14Q 2019 14-inch thin and light laptop. Description: 14 inches widescreen, Intel Pentium processor, integrated graphics, 256 GB SSD and 4 GB RAM. Lenovo V14 AMD Ryzen 3. Description: special AMD Ryzen processor, less than 1.85 kg weight, iron grey color with 4 GB RAM and 1 TB HDD, DOS operating system. Acer Aspire 3 Ryzen 3 15.6-inch laptop. Description: Ryzen 3 processor, 4 GB RAM and 1 TB storage space, special obsidian black color, 2.3 kg in weight, 15.6 inches widescreen. Asus VivoBook 14 AMD Ryzen 3. Description: AMD Ryzen 3 processor, 14 inches widescreen, 4 GB RAM and 1 TB HDD, integrated graphics, 1.47 kg weight laptop in cloud silver. Avita Cosmos 14-inch laptop. Description: 14-inch widescreen, Core i5 7th generation processor, Intel HD 615 graphics, less than 1.47 kg of weight, silver color portable laptop. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please like and share and subscribe to ProdHut channel.